Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to rotate in Canva. So for example, let's get this image. So I'll right click on here, click on copy image, and I'll actually bring this in here. So I'll press Control V. Okay, you can right click and press on paste. So here we have our image. So if you want to rotate this, for example, all you do guys, so here outside the image, you can see this button. Okay, click on this and you're able to rotate, as you can see. So I'm currently rotating this PNG image of this arrow. So if I want to point something specifically, okay, let me resize this. Let me make this a little bit, smaller. Okay, I'm holding control and making this smaller, and then I can go ahead and rotate this. So maybe I want to point to this, or maybe the name, right? And you can click here, rotate as you see fit, and you can leave it at that. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple.